Riders, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to adjust your rear brake pedal. While I was doing my pre-ride inspection yesterday, I noticed that my rear brakes were not coming on unless I pressed the brake pedal really hard. I'm going to show you here. So we're cycling the engine. So if we notice here, I'm going to press the front brakes. The front brakes are coming on right away, so no issues there. Now my rear brake, as you can see, I have to push. I'm pushing down. Have to push really hard in order for my rear brakes to come on. So that's something that's gonna be real simple to basically adjust. And I'm gonna be showing you where you're gonna be going to adjust it. As we can see, this is gonna be our footrest. This is gonna be our brake pedal here. This is gonna be our kick engine. So if we look in here, so you have to go by the engine casing. Right in here, you're gonna notice that there's gonna be this little wheel right here. So that little wheel right here, if you turn it clockwise, the distance between the spring here and what is going to activate your brake pedal is going to go ahead and shorten. If you do it counterclockwise, the distance is going to go ahead and become much more greater. Therefore, you have to apply more pressure. So we have right now, our engine is on. So I'm going to go ahead and just with my finger, I'm going to show you. So if we do it counterclockwise, as you can see, the distance now is greater from here to here. So if we press our brake pedal, and right there we're pressing it, we really are not gonna get anything. So let's go ahead and now do it clockwise. And let's see if it's coming on. So right there, it's coming on. So it's still a little bit, you have to push a little bit hard. So let me make sure that we still have a good distance there. So let me see there. So right there, I'm gonna say it's a pretty good distance. As you can see, we're pressing the brake pedal. So brake pedal has been pressed lightly and it's coming on. So right there, again, you press lightly, it's coming on. I'm thinking that's probably, it's gonna need thread locker just because it's so easy for you to move it up and down that I'm guessing that with the vibrations of the engine, this is gonna be something that I'm gonna have to keep an eye on. So guys, I just show you how to adjust your rear brake pedal on a Trail 125. As you can see, that's gonna be something that's gonna be super simple, easy to use. You don't gotta take your motorcycle to the dealer or to an independent mechanic. Literally from skill set from 1 to 10, that's probably gonna be a 0. It requires no skill, just the use of your thumb. Now, if it happened to be a little bit tighter when you're doing it on your own bike, then you might have to use like a nose pliers in order for you to be able to reach in there because the area is going to be difficult to reach. But otherwise, it's a very simple procedure and something that anybody should be able to do on their Trail 125. So guys, if you enjoy this content, just give it a thumbs up. That way the algorithm knows it's good. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys on my next video.